Hey everybody, my name is Rahat, and today I'm excited to show you a project that I've been working on with a couple of friends of mine. It's sort of a side project, a passion project, something we've been working on together for the last few months, and we feel like we've reached a really good point now where we want to share it and get some feedback. So without further ado, please enjoy this demo, and we look forward to hearing your feedback. Thank you. Introducing Appio AI, your AI assistant for business. So Appio AI is your AI-powered app assistant that simplifies data retrieval and some task automation within the SaaS tools you use, all through natural language. So what does that mean? That means that we're essentially trying to build a chatbot that allows you to chat with all the applications that power your business. Hence the hashtag #ChatUX. Now, we believe that with the advent of ChatGPT and other large language model powered apps, we believe that this is going to be a powerful way to interact with your apps going forward. Now, the three use cases that I'd like to demo for you today are: first, simply get my campaign performance. Tell me how my campaign is performing. Secondly, get some historical data. And then thirdly, which I think is one of the most important use cases, is learning and knowledge sharing. Teach me how to use this product and get the most out of this app. So now I'm going to go ahead and switch to the live demo portion of this presentation. I'm going to go ahead and open up Appio AI. Here we go. So how can I help you today? So I'm going to go ahead and just start off with simply as a user, hello, what can you do? Okay, so now the app is actually trained, the chatbot is trained to kind of answer questions or variants of this question with a simple response. As I explained to you, it's an Appio AI. I'm your AI-powered marketing assistant, right? So now the very first thing as a user you might want to ask is, what applications are you connected to? Now, this is actually a dynamic answer here because it's taking a look at all the different integrations we have and is presenting that to the user. And I know we have a set of some skeleton integrations that we're looking at, but the primary one that we want to demo today, which is the most comprehensive integration we have, is Mailchimp. So we're going to go ahead and demo the Mailchimp. And the very first use case I talked about is the campaign performance. So I'm going to go ahead and ask it about our recent Black Friday campaign. So now this is where things get interesting. Now, if you look at the response here, which is, of course, I'm looking to make sure I'm looking at the right one. Could you confirm the name and details of the Black Friday campaign? Is it BF 2023 sale? Now, what it's essentially doing is, first, we're passing this prompt to our custom LLM, and it's breaking down this prompt and it's understanding through an entity recognition model that it's talking about the Black Friday campaign, and we're mapping it to a get campaign performance API call. And in this case, we're pre-selecting a campaign name, and we're just confirming it with the user so that when we make the API call with this campaign name, that we get the right data. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes, because this is the right name for the campaign. Perfect. So now, as you can see, we've gotten the results. Now the bot, the app has made an API call to Mailchimp on behalf of the user for this particular campaign, and it shows it has an impressive open rate of 83.3%. And then it presents the rest of this data in this data table, and we've sort of filtered, or we've sort of curated this output that we want with the set of metrics. So in order to validate this response, I'm going to go ahead and show you our Mailchimp account, which is right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on all campaigns on the left. So as you can see, if I scroll down here, there's the campaign that we're talking about in question, BF 2023 sale, with the open rate of 83.3%. Now, switching back over to the app. Now, what is the second use case that we talked about is getting some historical data. So this is once again a dynamic API call to Mailchimp. So now it's going to make a call with a date range as a parameter. And here we go. We get back the campaigns, the last three campaigns with a campaign ID, the list it was targeted to, subject line, and some of the key metrics. Now, this is really powerful because within a few seconds, instead of having to generate the report, you can just ask it a question like this. Now, the final use case I talked about was the education and learning. How can I use this product? What are the capabilities? What options do I have, right? So the one key example or one question that I've always wrestled with my team is, what segments can I use for email targeting? This is something basic that's constantly changing. So you can simply ask this question and you get back a list of segments that are live for you to target. Now, once again, to validate this, I'm going to go ahead and go back and I'm going to show you on the left here, clicking on my segments. And if you look, scroll down, here are all the segments that I've created: trial converted, free trial users, unsubscribed, subscribed, test group, and so on. So this essentially shows us you can use segments like subscribed, unsubscribed, and test group. So we show some top segments here, and then we show a full list down here. So this is what we've built so far. I'm really excited to show this to you. Hey everybody, Rahat here again. I want to thank you for watching our demo video. We hope you found it insightful. If you'd like a live demo of this product, please feel free to reach out to me, rahat at appioai.com, and I'd be happy to walk you through the product over Zoom. And lastly, if you are a SaaS tool or you operate a SaaS tool and you want to offer this functionality to your customers, please feel free to reach out to engineering at AppioAI. We're looking for partnerships. We're looking for products to integrate with. So we look forward to hearing from you, and thanks again for your attention.